Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by Recruitment and Assessment Center. They are looking the candidates from graduate engineers and postgraduates in science, including students who are appearing or have appeared in their final year examination, that is final year students. They are eligible to apply this job. The recruitment for the post of Scientist B in Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. Their pay scale will be 56,100 rupees. This is a basic pay, and total emolument will be 80,000 per month. Based on the metro city, they will pay the rate. Let's see the educational qualification. Part 1, Electronics and Communication Engineering. Total vacancies are 37. First class degree is required, and the candidate should pass in GATE score or minimum 80% in college, that is IIT or NIT students applicable only. These are all the equivalent acceptable subjects: electronics and communication engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and computer engineering, electronics and control engineering, and more. Then mechanical engineering, the total vacancies are 35. Essential qualification also same. Then computer science engineering, the total vacancies are 31, same as essential qualification as mechanical and electronics and engineering. Then part 2, in part 2 electrical engineering, total vacancies are 12. Essential qualification is first class degree is needed and a valid GATE score. Then material science and engineering, metallurgical engineering, having 10 vacancies. Essential qualification is same as electrical engineering for material science and engineering. Then physics, master degree MSc physics is required with the first class degree. Valid GATE score is in physics. Then chemistry, master degree in chemistry with first class degree and valid GATE score is required. The equivalent acceptable subjects are chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, applied chemistry. Then chemical branch, having 6 vacancies. Essential qualification is also same. Then aeronautical, having 4 vacancies, same essential qualification. Then mathematics and civil, having 4 and 3 vacancies respectively. Then part 3, psychology, master degree in psychology with first class degree, qualified the NET exam for eligibility to assistant professor in psychology. Subject code is 4. Then important one, if you are a final year student, you have to submit your degree or provisional certificate by 31st August 2020. Then let's see the age limit for candidates. For underserved and economically weaker sections, maximum age limit is 28. OBC 31 years, SC ST 33 years. Let's see how to apply. This is an online application method. You have to apply through the RAC's official website of www.rac.gov.in. The required documents and the documents which should you upload on online. These are self-attested certificates, matriculation or high school certificate or birth certificate, then recent passport size color photograph, scanned sample of candidate signature, valid gate score card, NIT certificate and score card. These are all the important things you should upload. Application fees for general, economically weaker section and OBC male candidates are required to pay a non-refundable and non-transferable application fees of 100 rupees. For SC/ST candidates and women candidates there is no fees. This is a shortlisting procedure for part 1, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering, category 1. Candidates will be shortlisted for a descriptive examination on the basis of valid GATE score in the ratio of 1:25. Category 2, all eligible IIT and NIT graduate engineers with a minimum 80% aggregate marks in the EQ degree. Then candidates who appear for the descriptive examination will be further shortlisted for personal interview in the ratio of 1:5 based on the merit list. These are the shortlisting procedure for part 2 and part 3. You can read it by downloading this notification. I provided this notification link in description. You can download it and read it clearly. Then selection criteria. For part 1, the final selection of the candidate will be purely on the basis of discipline-wise category and merit. The weightage is 80% for descriptive examination and 20% for personal interview. For part 2, 80% weightage for GATE score and 20% weightage for personal interview. For part 3, 80% weightage for percentage of mark in NET exam and 20% weightage for personal interview. Then the last date is July 10th, 2020. You have to submit your online application form before July 10th, 2020. If you have any queries regarding applying online, you can contact the phone number or email ID. That's it.